You.
Yeah. You. Yes?
You.
Yeah, good ma, Nitila. Very good. Well done. Nitila, now you make tea, ma, Nitila. Make tea. Tea, tea. Nitila and Lakshana make tea. Others you have to make U. Small U. Okay, not capital U. Very good, Pranita. Good. Farnaz.
Ma'am, tell me. And me.
Yeah, Danvin. Good. Siddharth. Good. Very good.
అది ఎడుకానదండి.
Siddharth. You and me one same color clay. Yeah, Danvin. Good, Danvin. Yeah, Hashini. Good. Same color clay. Very good, ma. Finished, Zadi? Zadi, what are you doing, Zadi? Okay. Now, we are going to turn it ulta. Okay. Like how
Right.
Rohita said. What alphabet is this?
See, already doing, ma'am.
Rohita, ma'am is copying your trick, Rohita. See here, what alphabet is this?
ఏంటి?
V.
No, no.
What
Reverse
is this?
N.
మరి ఇక్కడ కుంకు ఉంటుంది.
N. Yeah, good. N. What is the sound of N, Danvin?
N sound చెప్పు.
What is the sound of N? Hear the aeroplane. You'll never ask ma'am. Always asking your mama. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Yes, finished the N. Okay. Now make O, children. O.
ஓ ஓ ரொம்ப ஈஸிங்க.
Oh, ரொம்ப easy இல்ல? See? Oh. Okay. Oh.
Good morning.
Ma'am के small.
Look, ma.
Who said
Smaller.
good morning now? Vidyut. Good morning, Vidyut. Very good. Oh, very good, Farnas.
Mummy,
Okay,
why
now
you
make it.
laugh
Now
at
you have to change it into Q.
Ah,
How will you make it
Rohita
as
already.
Q?
Rohita already doing.
Now you have to make it as Q.
అమ్మ మ్యామ్ క్యూ చెప్తారని నీకు ఎలా తెలుసు క్యూ రాస్తా
నేను క్యూ దాటనే ఆమె లైక్ గిరి వెళ్తా
అంతేనా?
Same circle, standing line and a slanting line.
సరిపోతుందిలే ఆ మాత్రం చాలులే.
Mummy is doing a Rohita. No,
No,
mummy.
ma'am.
Mummy should not do.
రోహిత
Only the
ఫస్ట్
children have to do.
కాదు మ్యామ్
Q.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ అమ్మ క్యూ రాస్తానమ్మా అని గీత పెట్టింది మ్యామ్.
Capital Q, okay. Small Q, children. It's not capital Q. Small Q. Nitila will make capital Q. Nitila and Lakshana will make capital Q.
స్మాల్ క్యూ రా. ఓకే అది యాడ్ చేసి ఇచ్చా.
Yeah. Vishank is there, huh?
స్టాండింగ్ వై అంటే
Good morning, Kartikeyan. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Kavyani. Zeddy, you have to make small letter Q, Zeddy, not capital letter, small letter. Vishank, sitting in a different place today.
ఓకే
स्मॉल लेटर क्यू कैसे होगा?
Small letter Q banna ma.
ఐ ఫినిష్
Yeah, very good. Who's that? Nightik. Yeah. Good Nightik. Vidyut, what are you doing, Vidyut? Very good. Farnas, good ma. Danvin, good. Farnas, good. What is that? Vidyut. What alphabet is that, Vidyut? Dikshan, good ma. Very good, Dikshan.
He's trying to make.
Yeah, try. You have to try. Good, try. Look here and try. Curve, standing line. Yeah, very good, Siddharth. And a slanting line. Yeah, Satvika, very good, Satvika. Nukshita, good morning. Yes, good morning, Nukshita. Yeah, very good, Ma, Rohita. Very good.
యాస అనకూడదు.
Good morning, Nukshita. It's okay, over, children. Now, next, only the final one. G. You're going to turn it as G. Last one, children. The same thing, but this slanting line was there, no? You had a slanting line here, right? That you make it as curve like this. That's all it is, G. The same slanting line, you are going to make it as a small curve, G. Very good, Zaidi. Now make it as G. Take only that slanting line, small slanting line here you had, right? Take that and you stick it here. Yeah, good. Very good, Pranita, good. Good, Pranita, good. Vidyut, you made G, Q. Vidyut, is it G or Q? Dhanvin, good ma. Dhanvin, use your slate, Dhanvin.
Yes, ma'am. It's the next room, ma'am. So we are using that.
Okay. Yeah, G, very good, Satvika. Well done. Good. Okay, over. Clay activity is over today. We are going to start the session. Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Okay, who is going to say? Come on, children, all of you take your clay packet and keep it in its place. Come on. If you have taken it from a box, keep it in a box. I took it from a cover, so I am keeping it back in a cover. Okay, whatever material you take, you have to replace it in its correct place, children. Okay, come on. Very good, Zeddy. Arrange your clay and keep it. Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Let me know.
Vanilla ma'am,
Going to say, children?
clearly she not ma'am. Kidji anthem.
Rohita is not saying clearly, Okay, who is going to say
Yes
then?
ma'am. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా okay, I'm finished. She tells me like
Rohita, become very naughty nowadays. Where is your nose? Okay, who is going to say? Who? Sorry? Who is going to say? Zed is going to say, what? Who is going to say, ma? Oh, I'm not able to hear. Okay, Farnas is going to say, wow, okay. Come on, all of you join your hands and close your eyes, children. Very good, children. Did you all arrange your clay? Did you all keep it aside? Come on, Satvika, enough. Clay activity is over. Yeah, come on, keep it aside. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Yes? Ready, ma? Start, Farnas.
The anthem, what is me, what in the, what in me, my potenta, me, my potenta. Today, upon my, with all my might, at you, my potenta.
Very good. Very good, Farnas. Thank you so much. Good morning, children. All of you, a very big good morning. Unmute and tell me good morning. Come on.
Good morning.
Yes? Yeah, good morning, children. Yeah, good morning. Thank you so much, children. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today's activity, I wanted to bring a towel. All of you go inside and bring a towel.
Towel. Bring your towel.
Yeah. Oh my God, where is my towel? 1 minute, I will also bring a towel, children. 1 minute. Is all of you ready with your towel? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now parents, I want you, take the towel, divide it into half, and now you put a knot in it, in the middle. Okay, parents, you can help them. In the middle, you have to put a knot. It should be equal. Okay? Yeah, knot. Yes? Yeah. Now you will have one side like this, another one side like this. Yes? Ready? In the middle, you have to put the knot correctly. One knot. Yeah, correct, Kavyani. Good. Tight it, Kavyani, tight it, and take the end like this. One end, another end.
End.
Take the end. And now what you are going to do is you are going to keep it in your neck, back of your neck like this. Okay? Back of your neck. Yes, hold these two like this. Yeah, hold it. Yes, hold it. We are going to flap it. We are going to flap it. How does it look like? Can anybody tell me how does it look?
Raya.
What is it? Butterfly, yeah? Yeah, okay, maybe a butterfly or a bird, whatever it is, but it has wings. Okay, so I want you to come 2 circles. In a circle, you have to fly like a butterfly or a bird. Flap your wings and fly. Yeah. Flap your wings and fly. Come on, Vishank, also get down from your chair. Flap your wings and fly. Come on, fly. Fly. Very good, Vidyut. Fly. No sitting, Vidyut. Fly and run. Kavyani also run. Run in your bed itself. Fly and run. Yes, you are going to fly now. Fly like a butterfly. Fly. It's very good, Zadi. Good. Yes? Keep the towel in the back of your neck, okay? On your back, yeah. Very good, Pranita. Good. Yes. Flap your wings like this. Yes? Very good, Pranita. Very good, Zaidi. Yeah, good. Very good. Rohita, what are you doing, Rohita? Kavyani, very nice, Kavyani. Good. Rohita, what are you doing? Yeah, very good. Rohita, come on. I want to see you how you are flying. Rohita, Dikshan, Parnaz, everyone like this. Very good, Zaidi. Very nice. Your wings are very nice. Beautiful. Good. Come on, do it one by one. Come on, unmute and show me how we are doing the activity. Kavyani, finish.
Come on.
And I saw, Zaidi, I saw. Very big towel for Rohita. Yes, Satvika, do it, ma. Yes, Satvika, I'm watching you. Come on. Do it, Satvika. Yeah, crying bada. Very nice, Satvika. Oh my God. Good. Very good, Rohita. Good. Night take. Yeah, very good, Rohita. Wow, Dikshan, very nice. Wow, Hashni. Your dad is supporting you a lot. Thank you, Hashni's dad. Very good, Hashni. Well done. Night take. Very good. Dikshan also good. Night take. What happened, Night take? Come on, flap it like this. Hold it tight. Hold the corners tightly. Both of the corners you have to hold it tightly and do like this. Then it will be very easy for you, Night take. Yeah? What? Come on, fly. Run. Fly and run. Run and fly. Starting in the same place. A flightless bird. You're a flightless bird.
He's not running.
What is this, Night take? Okay, good. Very good, Night take. But very good. Tomorrow also we'll do this activity. Okay, children. Okay, now all of you keep your towel down. Very nice. Good. Keep your towel down. Drink 1 glass of water and come back for the attendance activity. Come on. Drink water and come back, children.
Mummy, chapati chahiye na?
Mummy, చేసుకొని పైకి అనుకో మళ్ళీ కింద పడితే బటర్ఫ్లై అంత వేసుకున్నాం
Yeah, good. Darshika.
I am Dashika, studying junior KG.
Very good, Darshika. Devarakshita. This is also absent. Danvin.
My name is Danita. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Dikshan.
My name is Chennai. I am in Charlington junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Parnas. Parnas.
Morning, ma'am. I am a Farna Fatima. I am studying junior KG 4.
Parnas, why so fast? Where are you going? Hashini.
He's running now.
My name
That's
is Sakshi. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Kixi girl.
Very good, Hashini. Janvi.
I am studying junior KG. I am Kixi girl. 4 years old.
Did you fly like a butterfly, Janvi? Did you fly like a butterfly? I didn't see you. Why? Did you do it with your towel? Yes or no? Yeah, yeah. Wow. Okay. Karthikeyan.
Yes, I am. My name is Karthikeyan.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Kavyani.
Hey, I am Nilamma. My name is Kavyani. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitek.
I am
Naitek.
studying in junior KG. I am 4 years.
Very good, Naitek. Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Nukshita. Nitila. Nitila.
My name is Nilila. I am studying junior KG.
I'm 4 years old. Very good, Nitila. Next is Pranita.
Good
Pranita.
morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita. Rohita.
Junior KG.
Rohita.
And 4 years and junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
4 years old. Thanks.
దీంతో episode
Ritvik.
My name is Ritvik. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Ritvik. Satvika.
Junior KG.
Okay. Satvika.
I am Satvika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4
Okay,
years
now
old.
fly with your towel. I'll look at you now. Come on, now fly. Fly. Very nice, Satvika. Very good. Stop. Okay, take some rest, okay? Okay, next is Siddharth. Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth, but you were flying in your sofa itself, Tilakar. Okay, Vishank. Vishank. Look at me first. Look at me. Look at me. And I'll close my face like this.
My name is Sultan. I am junior KG.
I am junior KG, huh? I'm studying in junior KG.
I'm studying.
Vishank, look at ma'am first.
I'm studying in junior KG.
Oh, chuchu. Okay. Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Vidyut.
I am Devi Tot, studying in junior KG.
Oh, wow. Okay, Zadi.
My name is Jyoti. I am 4 years old. I am studying junior KG.
I am. Why so confused, Zedi? क्या हुआ? Okay, next is Lakshana. Lakshana. Okay, I'm marking you, Lakshana. Okay. Children, today is Nitila's birthday. Shall we all sing birthday song for her? Are you all ready? Yes, shall we all clap our hands and sing birthday song for her? Yes, Nukshita. Many more happy returns of the day, Nukshita. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nukshita. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Nukshita. Happy birthday to you. Yes, all of you unmute and clap hands, Nukshita. Yes, very good. Now wish Nukshita. Now all of you wish Nukshita. Yes. Yes, very good. Zaidi finish. Yeah, very good. Nukshita, yes, all of you mute yourself except Nukshita. All of you mute yourself except Nukshita. Yes, mute yourself. Come on. Everyone mute yourself except Nukshita. Okay? Yes, Nukshita. Many more happy returns of the day, Nukshita. Okay? Okay, children. We'll move on to our session. Rhymes. Who is going to sing the rhymes today? We'll finish it off fast today. Okay, come on. Who is going to sing the rhymes? Hashini. Okay, Hashini. Rohita, I want you to mute yourself. Vishank also mute yourself. Rohita, mute yourself. Hashini, come on, sing the rhyme.
Ole, as my little dog, ole, can he be with his ears so short, to tail so long? Ole, this he.
Very good, Hashni. Wonderful, Hashni. You learned the rhyme, huh? Very good. Okay, next butterfly rhyme. Who is going to sing?
As comes the butterfly, young goes the egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar wings, the concept is the legs. Out comes the butterfly, young goes the kiss.
Very good, Hashni. Okay, thank you, Hashni. Next, who is going to sing the spider rhyme except Hashni? Who is going to sing the spider rhyme? Come on, children, finish it fast. Then win. Who is going to sing, children? Nightic. Yeah, Nightic.
The spider
Yeah, Ritik is singing. Okay, all of you mute. Nightic, then Satvika. Okay, then Danvin. Three of you are going to sing. First is Nightic. Come on, Nightic.
Spider.
Spider rhyme.
Yeah, sing.
First,
Under web.
under the web beside the gate, spider had his legs are 8, bowing and busy buzzing bee, 6 furry legs she.
Very good, Nightic. Okay, next is Satvika. Satvika, what rhyme you are going to sing, Satvika?
Butterfly rhyme.
Yeah, sing, sing.
First comes the butterfly. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. Caterpillar's wings, farmer clips the legs. Out comes the butterfly.
And Blosa. Very good. Okay, next is Danvin. What rhyme you are going to sing? Over.
Over part.
Over.
Away, cat, little dog. Away, can he be? With his face so short and his tail so long. Away, can he be?
Wonderful, Danvin. Very good. Vishank.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, well done. Vishank, what rhyme you are going to sing, Vishank? Over, spider, butterfly. What are you going to sing?
Spider.
Spider. Come on, sing the spider. Come on, Vishank. Sing. Yeah, very cute smile. Come on, sing. Spider under web.
Beside the kid, father, lecture, big shit.
Wow! What? You are in fast mode, ah? Yes? Shall we
Yes.
rewind it? Okay, Vishan. Over. Over.
Is where can it be? Over.
Where can he be? Ah? No? Sing it properly, Vishan. Come on. Where has my little dog gone? Where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Where can he be? Yes, okay. Thank you so much, children. Today I'm going to write the alphabet and you're going to tell me the sound of that. Are you all ready? Yes? Those who knows the sound, you have to unmute and tell me the answer. Okay, or else I'll call you one by one. Okay, mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. I'll call one by one. First, it's diction. Diction.
Yes.
What is the sound, ma? Tell me the sound alone. Hey, sound. Okay. Next is Danvin. Okay. Ashni.
Seek in a sound.
Okay. Janavi. Very good, Janavi. Parnaz.
Okay, sound சொல்ல.
Okay. This one. Kavyani. Very good. Darshika. Very good. Nukshita. Very good. Ritvik. What is it? E. Okay. Nightek. Tell me the sound, ma. Nightek.
Jen. It's the sound.
Very good. Karthikeyan. Very good. Siddharth. Very good. Satvika. Rohita.
సౌండ్ చెప్పు.
Sound, ma.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు చెప్పావు కదా అది.
Okay. Next is Pranita. Say the sound, ma. What is it? Okay. Next is Nitila. What is the sound?
She don't know, ma'am.
That you have to play that rhymes and show her regularly.
Okay.
Sound is very important. Okay, so regularly you play the rhymes for her. Okay. Next is Zadi. Very good. This also you say Zadi. Okay. Okay, Vishan. Ishank. Sound ma. Good. This one, who is going to say? Darshika. Darshika. Okay, Siddharth said, okay. Darshika, next you have to say Darshika. Darshika.
You.
Say the sound, ma. Up go umbrellas. Yes. Okay. Next is Pranita. Pranita. What is the sound? Huh? Yes, who is going to say this, children? Danvin.
Ma'am,
Sound. What is the sound, Danvin? Ooh, very good. Janavi. What is the sound? Yeah, very good. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes.
Say the sound, Nukshita.
Yes.
Sound, ma.
Sound XK Muslim.
This one. Take an X-ray, okay? Kavyani. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Why? What?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, Jani. Yeah. Okay? This one.
Yeah.
Ready? Okay? Very good, children. We have finished with that. Moving on to our 2-letter and 3-letter words. Are you ready? Okay. Come on. A-M. What is A-M? Am. A-N. An. A-S. As. A-T. At. Not at. It's at. Okay? T-H-E. Yes. Darshika, what is T-H-E? Is all of you mute yourself, children. I'll call one by one and I'll ask. I don't know who is telling the right answer and wrong answer. Okay? Mute yourself. Darshika, what is T-H-E? The. Very good. Farnaz, what is O-F? Oh, very good. I-S, Janavi. I-S. I-S is ass, Yes? I-S is ass, Janavi. I-S? Is, yes. I-F, Nitek.
Sorry.
Nitek. I-F?
If.
Very good, Nitek. Diction, I-T. It. What happened, Dikshan? Why, ma? It. Okay, next is what, ma? Dikshan. I'm asking you only, Dikshan. I'll call you Dikshan. Oh my
He's
God.
not. Always want to write.
He wants to write. Okay, we'll write. We'll do the worksheet now. Come on. Good boy. Okay. O-N, Hashini. O-N, on. Very good. Next is O-X. Who is going to say this? Pranita, O-X. O-X. Axa, Oxa. Ox. Okay. Okay. Next letter. B-E. Who knows this? B-E. B. Regularly, are you all learning these words, children? We have already written in the classwork notebook. Okay, mute yourself, children. All of you mute yourself. Come on. Regularly, you have to read it from your notebook, children. Okay, using these only, we are going to learn sentences. Okay, B-E is B. Okay, Siddharth, what is G-O? Go. Karthikeyan, what is T-O? No, Siddharth. T-O? T-O? 2. Okay. And then, who is going to say this? Darshika, S-O? S-O?
So.
So, okay. N-O? N-O? No. Okay. D-O?
Do.
Ashni, D-O? Do. Janavi, B-Y?
Bye.
Bye. Very good. M-Y?
My.
My. M-E?
Me.
Me. Good. U-S? 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 Us. Very good. UP? Vishank. What is UP?
Us.
UP, Vishank. UP, up. Farnaz, W-E, W-E, V. Very good, very good. Today we are going to learn about birds, children. Okay, we already did the activity in the morning, right? What do birds have? All of you tell me, what do birds have? With the help of what they are flying in the sky? Yes, with the help of their wings. Yes, and then what do they have? What are the parts of the body they have? You have seen many birds, right? All of you have seen birds. What are the body parts they have? Do they have eyes? Yes. Do they have eyes? Yes or no? Yes, they have 2 eyes. And then what do they have? They eat with what? Yes, we eat with our mouth, right? Likewise, birds, how do they eat? Yeah, they eat through their beak. Okay, so today we are going to see regarding birds only. Okay.
Yeah, birds did it.
Yeah, children. We are going to see about birds only. Okay. Birds, they do not move like normal animals. They fly in the sky with the help of wings. They have 2 wings. With the help of wings, they fly in the sky, and they also have beak. So what is this bird? Can anyone tell me what is this bird? Yes? Swan. It's a swan. It's not a duck. Okay, this is a swan, and it also can fly high in the sky. Okay, it is a swan. Now, what is this? This is a crane. Okay, this is a crane. It has long legs. It has a long beak. And do you know what it feeds on? It feeds on the fishes that lives in the water. Okay, so you can see it is standing near the water. With the help of its big beak, it can take the fish from the water very easily. Okay, and it also flies very high in the sky. See here, this is crane. Okay, and what is this, children? What is this? What bird is this? It's a eagle. Very good, Naitik. It's a eagle. Okay, it flies very high, and it also builds its nest very high only. On the top of a big tree only, it also builds its nest. Okay. And then what is this? Now come on, Janavi. What is this? Crow. How many of you say this is crow? No, it is not a crow. Okay, it's a cuckoo bird. Okay, it looks like a crow. It is also black in color only, but it is not a crow. It is cuckoo. Okay, and it sings very beautifully. The voice of cuckoo, it looks very sweet. Okay, cuckoo. And then what bird is this? What bird is this? Can anyone tell me? Do anyone know? It's a hummingbird. Okay, it's a hummingbird. Okay, mute yourself, children. I'll call you. It's a hummingbird. Okay, it is the smallest bird. Okay, it is a hummingbird. See here, and it drinks nectar from the flowers. Okay, it is very small. And do you know why he got the name as hummingbird? When it is flapping its wings, no, we hear a sound, we hear a humming sound. For that only it is called as a hummingbird. You can see how it is taking nectar from the flowers. Yes, it's a hummingbird. And then what bird is this, children? It's a woodpecker. Yes, it's a woodpecker, and it builds its nest in the trees only. See here, is it having a nest like ordinary birds? You all have seen nest, right? Does it look like a nest? No, right? It builds its nest in the tree itself, and its beak is very strong that it can put holes in a tree. Okay, so it is called as a woodpecker. Yeah. See here how it is making its nest. It is not collecting any twigs or anything. See, it is straight away, it is drawing a hole in the tree and it is making its own nest. Okay, children, all of you look at the screen. See, this is the normal nest of a bird. Okay, but woodpecker, it will not build the nest like this. It will build the nest in the tree itself. Okay, this is the nest of a normal bird. Okay, and what do they do in the nest? What do birds do in the nest? Yes? Yes? They lay eggs in the nest. Okay? They lay eggs in the nest, and the eggs also hatch into small birds. See here? Eggs are here, right? You can see the eggs here. All these eggs, they hatch into small birds. Yes, and the mother bird, it feeds the small birds. See here how the mother bird is feeding the small birds. Like how your mama will feed you, right? Mama will give food for you, right? Yes, with her hand. But the birds, they don't have hands, right? With the beak only. They collect the food and they share it with the small ones. They feed the young ones. Okay? Why it feeds the young ones, children? Why the birds are feeding their young ones? Why? 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 The young ones, they cannot fly, right? They cannot go and search for food. That's why the parent bird, that is the mother bird, it searches for food and it gathers the food and it feeds the young ones. Okay, children? And so that's it. One more time, we'll see. What bird is this, children? Woodpecker. Okay? Woodpecker. In your place itself, I want you to say the name of the bird. Kavyani, Janavi, you are not in your chair. Come on, say the name of the bird. Woodpecker. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. See here? Hummingbird. Okay. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Eagle. Eagle. Yeah. What bird is this? What bird is this, Kavyani? What bird is this? Crane. Yes, good. It's a crane. And then finally, what bird is this, Pranita? Swan. Very good. It's a swan. Okay. Today's worksheet also is going to be related to this only. I'll tell you the worksheet number. Worksheet number is D76CT. It's D76CT. Come on, all of you take your worksheet. D76CT. D76CT. Take the worksheet, write today's date. Today's date is 2/11/2020. Children, the month of October is over. So the month is 11 November. Okay? 2/11/2020.
Ma'am, then we'll talk time.
Yes, ma? Yeah, ma. We'll conduct the talk time. We'll finish one worksheet and then we'll conduct talk time. Dhanvin, Dikshan, are you ready, Dikshan, for talk time? Dikshan, Dhanvin, and Devkrish, right? Devkrish is absent. Dikshan, are you ready, ma? Sorry?
Page number at once.
Page number D76CT. Here you are going to, yeah?
In the
What? Sorry. Nitik, mute yourself. I don't know who is talking, please.
Ada.
is not doing
Ritvik.
Oh, that's
Is it Ritvik?
Yes, Divya. I'm checking
yes,
it.
ma'am.
Ritvik.
Next thing is the October release changes, right? The test cases are already
Ritvik.
ಇದನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇದಾ ಬಾಬು
I don't know who is talking. Okay, we'll go on to the worksheet.
Odd bird
Children,
in
circle
each
the odd bird in each row. Odd is
Ah.
odd. The meaning of odd is different.
The
So you
pencil
can
area.
see here what is the different bird here in each line. You are going to
Pencil area.
circle. Okay, you can see here which is different here. Nitek. First row. First row, which is different. Nitek. Nitik didn't take your worksheet. Farnas, tell me, ma, which is different here?
Which is
Number 2. What bird is that? Woodpecker. So what you are going to do? You are going to circle the woodpecker.
The even number.
Yes. Now the second row. Who is going to say? Hashni. Which is different here in the second row? Swan, 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 crane. Which is different? Very good. Crane. So circle crane. Okay.
Pencil.
And now third row he is going to say Nukshita. Nukshita. Third row, which is different, ma. Swan, woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. What is different, Nukshita?
Validation and
What is different here? Swan, woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. Which bird is different here?
Ma'am, show me.
Tell me the name of the bird. Swan. It's a swan. Yeah, good. It's a swan. You have to name it, ma. Okay. You need not show me the worksheet. You just name it. Okay. Swan. Okay. And then fourth row. Who is going to say this? It's going to be Darshika. Darshika. You have hummingbird, 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 eagle. Which is different, Darshika? Which is different in these? There are 4 birds in this line. Which is different in this line?
Eagle, ma'am.
Eagle. Very good, ma Darshika. Eagle. You're not doing your worksheet?
She did, ma'am.
Finished? Ah, very good. Okay, next line. Who is going to say this? Satvika. Which is different in this line? Eagle, hummingbird, eagle, eagle. Which is different? Satvika Sri. Satvika. Which is different, ma? Hummingbird. Very good, Satvika. You're going to circle the hummingbird. Okay? Finished? Okay, next is going to be D75LT. D75LT. Trace the letters, color the objects that start with the same letter sound, okay, which is related to the alphabet. You are going to color the object. First, we'll finish it off with circling and then we'll color, okay. So first, trace it, children. Write the date, write today's date. Today's date is 2/11. 11 is month of November, okay, children. October is over. What is the next month, children? This is November. And the last month, what is the last month? 12th month? December. Very good, ma Dhanvin. December, okay. Think finished with that. Come on, trace the alphabet. Fast, you have to trace it, children. Come on, do it fast. Vishank, what are you doing, Vishank?
Doing the birds page. Identifying the different birds. I'm getting what are you doing?
Vishank, what are you doing, Vishank? Which sheet you are doing?
Birds.
Birds. Circle the different one in each row. Odd one in each row. Which is different?
Ma'am, he is on the
Totally
last.
the last one, na? Hummingbird, eagle, that one, na?
Yes, ma'am, but he is
Yeah.
circling the eagle.
No, eagle. You have 3 eagle and 1 hummingbird. Then which is different? Naughty boy. Wantedly he is circling. Vishank. Finish. No, Vishank. Don't circle eagle, ma. Have to circle the hummingbird, Vishank.
Hummingbird தான் circle பண்ணுங்க.
Hummingbird is only different, right?
Let's say, speak to ma'am. Speak with ma'am.
I don't think so. That is the hummingbird, huh?
No, ma'am, he is circling all the eagles.
Vishank, then it's wrong, Vishank. Vishank, wrong. No. Come on, do it correctly. When someone is correcting you, you have to correct yourself, Vishank. You should not do anything wrong, okay? Come on, correct yours. Correct your worksheet.
Circle பண்ணுங்க. Yes, circle பண்ணுங்க.
You should not circle the same one. You should circle the different one. Yeah, good. Very good, ma. Good boy. Take the next worksheet. It's D75 LT. Y for yak or apple. Who is going to say? Y for yak or Y for apple? Yeah.
Why for yak?
Yak. Very good, Pranita. So now first you circle it and then you can color it, children. First circle it, okay? And then Z for butterfly or zebra. Which will come? Z for butterfly or zebra?
Yeah.
Yes, Z for zebra. Yeah, good, Pranita. Next, Vidyut is going to say Y for yo-yo or Y for balloon.
Sorry.
Y for yo-yo or Y for balloon.
Sound pare.
Yeah, I can hear Vidyut's mom. Y for yo-yo or Y for balloon, ma, Vidyut?
Yo-yo ya balloon. Joking ako. No.
Yeah, it's okay. You say, I can see you, no problem. You just tell me the right answer. That's it.
Okay. Yo-yo balloon.
Come on. Y for balloon, ah? Is it right?
Yo-yo ya balloon.
Y for balloon is right.
Pare. Yo-yo balloon.
Y for? What is going to be the right answer? Zadi, Y for yo-yo or Y for balloon?
For yo-yo, Y for balloon. What?
Y for yo-yo. Very good, Zadi. Well done. Okay. Next, Z for elephant or Z for zip. Who is going to say the right answer now?
For?
Z for elephant or Z for zip. What is the right answer? Zip. Very good. Circle it and then. Yeah, very good, Zedi. I heard you. Good. Now color it, children. Finish coloring it. Come on. Take your own color and color. Whatever color you want, you can give. But color it fast, okay? Danvan is going to talk about extinct animals today. Yeah, children, regarding Children's Day activity, you can write you can tell what you are going to do. You can just type it in WhatsApp. Send it in WhatsApp, okay? Yeah, good ma, Pranita. Whatever you are going to do, you can send it in WhatsApp. Okay, what type of costume, what are the prop you are going to talk about? Just send it in WhatsApp. Or else you can tell me now. Yeah, finish, Amma. Rohita, you said it's Spider-Man, right?
Ma'am, Spider-Man. Ma'am, yesterday day full Spider-Man over butterfly.
Yeah, good. I hope that you should do it correctly on that day also, Rohita. Yeah, Spider-Man. Next, who else? Danvin. Danvin, what are you going to do?
Ma'am, can you do on the reactions, ma'am?
Sorry, everyone mute yourself. I'll ask one by one, children. Mute yourself. Come on. Yeah, Farnaz, I'll call you, Farnaz. Mute yourself. 1 minute. I'll write the name and then I'll call you, children.
Out comes the caterpillars.
Caterpillar.
Yes, Rohita, mute yourself, ma. Okay, Dhanvin, tell me what you are going to do.
Ma'am, can you talk about the reactions, ma'am? The angry, sad, you thought, right?
Emotions, huh?
Yeah, emotions.
Regarding that prop also you can prepare.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Main
ma'am.
thing is they have to have the prop.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
sure.
very good. Emotions, okay. Dhanvin is emotions. Okay. Next is diction. Diction. What are you going to do in Children's Day? Yeah?
Flag, ma'am.
Flag. Wow. Okay, flag. Then Darshika. Darshika.
Oh, not yet decided, ma'am. I'll tell you.
Okay, not decided. Okay, I'll mark it down. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz. You can check it with our last year Children's Day pics
Ma'am,
posted
she's going
in
to be a butterfly,
Facebook.
fairy butterfly.
Fairy butterfly.
Ma'am, she's
Very
going
good.
to be a fairy butterfly.
Yeah, I'm noting it down. Fairy butterfly. Okay, Hashini.
I'm not yet decided, ma'am.
Okay,
She's
not
having
yet
an injury
decided.
also.
Okay. Okay, see to that. That's it.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to participate, no issues. Okay. Next is Janavi.
Ma'am, not yet decided, ma'am. Will tell you later.
Okay. Okay. Karthikeyan.
Solar system, ma'am.
Solar system. Wow. Good. Okay, next. Kavyani.
Ma'am, we'll let you know, ma'am. We have some
Yeah,
doubt on
not yet decided. Okay. Naitik. Naitik.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, come on,
not
Naitik.
not decided.
Not yet
ma'am.
decided. Okay. Nukshita. Nukshita. Nukshita is there? Nukshita. Okay, Satvika.
Ma'am, not yet decided, ma'am.
Siddharth. 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 Siddharth is also not there. Pranita.
Ma'am, we'll let you know, ma'am. We are not
Yeah,
decided.
good. Okay, no problem. Next is Zeddy.
Ma'am, not yet decided, ma'am.
Okay. Vishank. Not decided.
I'm not decided yet, ma'am. We'll confirm.
Vivan.
Not decided, ma'am.
Oh my God. So, Vidyut.
Not
Vidyut.
decided, ma'am. He's crying.
Okay, good. Okay. Next is Nitila.
Not decided, ma'am.
Okay. Next, who else did I miss out? Anyone? Hashini, Karthikeyan. Not missed out anyone, I think. Dev Chris is absent. Rohita, I have marked you. That's it. Yeah, finished. Okay, Dhanvin, are you ready for the talk time? Ritvik, okay, good. Ritvik. Yeah, I'll show you some pics that we did last year. 1 minute.
Ma'am, Farnas is going to be a butterfly.
Yeah, I noted it down, Farnaz, mom.
Yeah, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm 3 and
Ma'am, sorry.
That's quite accurate.
Yeah. Yeah, like this, if they are going to talk about a tooth or something, they have to prepare a prop like this and you have to talk. See, like this, paste. And then this is a fish, mermaid, I think, like this. And then this is a fly, house fly. And then this is also a fish, mermaid. Like this, you have to prepare a prop and then you have to talk about it. Here. Mosquito, I think. And then chef, apple, that's it. So like this you can prepare anything. Danvin, are you ready, ma?
Ma'am.
Yeah, finish your talk time. Come on. Dikshan, you are ready or you are going to talk on Friday? Dikshan. Dikshan, you are ready or you are going to talk on Friday? Okay. Only Danvin today. Okay, Danvin, finish Danvin. Come on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning. I am Dhanvin Sai. I am going to talk about extinct animal. Extinct animal are mammoth, dodo, dinosaur. Dinosaur is an extinct animal. They are largest and scariest animal. Dinosaur is length of 2 elephants. Thank you.
Wow, very good, Danvin. High five.
High five. High
High
five.
five. Yeah, get a gift for Danvin's mom. Yeah, very good, children, and thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, children. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye, children. Yeah, bye. Bye, Kavyani. Yeah, bye. Bye, Kavyani. Yes, bye, everyone. Bye.